Hey everyone, welcome back to our automotive DIY channel. Today, we're going to be talking about fuel injector cleaner, what it is, why it's important, and how to properly use it to maintain your vehicle's performance. Let's get started. What is fuel injector cleaner? Fuel injector cleaner is a specialized additive that's designed to clean and remove deposits from your vehicle's fuel injectors. Over time, these vital components can become clogged with gunk and carbon buildup, which can lead to all sorts of drivability issues. Why use fuel injector cleaner? Using a quality fuel injector cleaner on a regular basis can provide a number of benefits. Improved fuel efficiency, increased engine power and performance, reduced emissions, extended fuel injector lifespan. So it's a relatively inexpensive way to keep your engine running at its best. How to use fuel injector cleaner? Using fuel injector cleaner is actually pretty straightforward. Here are the steps. Fill your tank with at least a half tank of gas. The cleaner needs to be properly diluted in the fuel. Add the recommended amount of cleaner to your gas tank. The instructions on the bottle will tell you how much to use based on your tank size. Drive as you normally would for at least 30 minutes to an hour to allow the cleaner to circulate through the system. Repeat this process every 3,000 miles or so as part of your regular maintenance routine. It's important to note that you should never use more than the recommended amount of cleaner. Using too much can actually be counterproductive and potentially even damage your fuel system. Conclusion: fuel injector cleaner is a simple but effective way to keep your engine running at its best. Just follow the steps we covered today, and you'll be well on your way to a smoother, more efficient ride. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.